Hello everybody, welcome back to another Get Ready With Me. I feel like I kind of look a little washed out. Also, I think my boyfriend has tomorrow off. Also, don't forget to wear sunscreen. It's really important actually for your skin. I think my boyfriend has tomorrow off, so I wanted to get Thursday's video out to you on time. If you haven't seen Tuesday's video, I kind of opened up a little bit about my past with eating disorders and dieting, being vegan, vegetarian. I got bullied in elementary school and all of that good stuff. But today I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly because I have work in a little bit in less than an hour. Sorry, I'm like a kind of far away. Let me get you a little bit closer. Sorry. I can't see. Also, sorry if like the that's a really bad word replacer. The table shakes or like the camera like wobbles a little bit because you are literally like right here and I have my phone stacked on top of a couple books. I really haven't been doing a lot of base makeup lately. I've really just been doing eyeliner and eyebrows, not even doing mascara. I just don't, not that I've given up on my appearance, but I just feel like I haven't been wanting to do that. Also, I don't know why I sound so nasally. I've been sneezing all morning, and I think it's because it's turning springtime again. Also, I got my little, you can see, it's right here. I have my little mirror right there. But yes, the other day I was taking a shower, and the entire rod and curtain fell on me, and I just wanted to, sorry, you can probably see some of my crusties. I have dandruff. It's a part of my life, so it's a part of your life now by adjacent. You know, just the dandruff vibes. You know how it is. But yeah, it fell on me the other day, and I've never wanted to just restart my day over than that day because I think I had to. I don't know if I had a short shift for work or if I had a long opening shift, but it was just like not fun. And also I've never wanted to just be like, you know what, I'm done with today. I don't think I'm gonna do anything anymore. Yeah, but I haven't really been using concealer either because this is like I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Powder Foundation, and it's a powder foundation, which means I don't really need concealer. So I guess that's also an excuse to why I haven't really been putting on concealer. But also I kind of like it because it lets my skin breathe a little bit more, because I don't know why I've been excessively oily lately, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of what I'm eating or it's just because the weather's changing, but I really don't appreciate it. Like by the time I get out of work, it's like oil slick. So that's great. I love that for me. There's just so much mucus. Oh my goodness. But yeah, what else did I want to talk about? I want to talk about something else. I'm also gonna start. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna start, but I'm going to try to upload videos on Saturday, like a little bonus video for you guys. Keyword is try. I only really have 2 in stock. I only really have 2 that I've recorded and slightly edited. I don't really have like a voice. They need a voiceover and not subtitles, but they need like just music and some subtitles and a voiceover. That's the big one. I have to like talk about it. But yeah, it's also going to be kind of 2-ish new series that I want to do on my channel. I know I have like 12 going on already, but I don't know, it's just fun, and I like talking about different topics, and and one thing that I really want to focus on this year kind of is diversifying my channel while still doing things that I love. Like I know like right now most of my content is a lifestyle / beauty, as much as beauty that I really do, because I don't really do tutorials anymore, even though I want to because they're fun. But it's just like I feel like at this point in terms of makeup, every look that can be done has been done, and no matter how original we think we are, someone has already come up with another idea. But that's not to say, I don't want to say that and like discredit other creators, because there are tons of other like Twitter and Instagram makeup enthusiasts and makeup artists who are literally pushing the boundaries every day. Like, I love Pat McGrath's work. There's also a couple other online makeup artists who like I love, and they really go out of the box, and they don't really do like typical like eyeshadow, cut crease, stuff like that. They do what they want, they do what's fun, and they do very avant-garde makeup, and that's what I really like about them, is that it's just fun. And also, like, I'll put up some people who too, like, I really love their work in terms of makeup that's not typical. But I don't know, I feel like I don't really have a place in like the online beauty sphere, because one, I don't really do tutorials anymore. I don't really upload looks anymore. Like, I barely use my Instagram. I mostly use the stories and Twitter. But while you're here, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I get very personal on there, I noticed. But it's fun. I also have a couple looks that I really want to do, but I also have work 5 days out of the week, and the days that I am off, I'm with my boyfriend, and I don't really like to film with my boyfriend is here. Not that it's embarrassing, but it's more so that I don't want him to hear what I talk about. Not that that's bad, but I just feel like I'm not completely comfortable, is what I'll say. Oh my god, I feel like my congestion is getting worse as I talk, and it's becoming more noticeable, and I don't like that. I just wanted to do pink today because pink is a pretty easy color. It looks very intense on camera, but I promise you, in person, it's not as intense. I'm also gonna dye my hair back to black. Also, if you notice, my bun's a lot smaller. I chopped my hair off. That's what I want to talk about. I chopped my hair off. I cut my hair off, and it did not go the way it's planned. So it's about right here now. But one of the parts, one like half part of the left part of my left side of my hair is kind of like this length. And so towards the end of the month, because I just started, I don't have tuition payment to do this month, but next month. So I'm gonna try to go to the hairstylist relatively soon, because I fucked my hair up, and that's fine, because I'm still young-ish, as young as your early 20s, basically. I feel like one of those old ladies who doesn't want to share their age, but it's only because I feel old. Like, I'm a lot older, but I am no longer close in age with some of my coworkers. Like, some of them are very young. I think one of my youngest coworkers is actually 16 or 18. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. You can see like my dandruff up close. I didn't know it was that bad. I also can't really see. I can't see without my glasses, so I don't really know how bad it is until I get close, and I don't really know how bad it is until I look up close, and I don't really look at my face up close a lot of the day. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. I kind of want to do like thin wispy eyeliner, but that's also kind of hard because that's not my style of eyeliner. I can do it, but it takes a lot of finesse, is what I'll say. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you when my eyeliner's done, because this part is very particular. Okay, so I basically just finished my eyeliner. I tried to do kind of like that straight liner, kind of, not necessarily angled. Also, one of my eyes is smaller than the other, so that's what I have going for me. But that's all for this video. Thank you for listening to me ramble. If you have any certain topics you would like to listen to me talk about, or you just like my stuff, leave a comment below, share, like, whatever, do all of that good stuff, because YouTube pays me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.